I'm Master Hughes. The other day while I was walking through the woods, I heard a distress cry from an animal. I located it, and it was a beautiful red-headed woodpecker. Take a close look at the photo I'm about to show you. This beautiful regal bird had brought me a lot of joy. I'd seen it in the trees many, many times. As I watched this bird, I sat with it knowing it was going to die and watched it pass away, and I chanted the Kanzeon. It reminded me, all things change, all things are impermanent. It was a moment in my life, and it reminded me also how many of you are going so fast that you don't take time for the meaningful things in your life. It's one blur instead of many moments. I hope after watching this, you'll take time to sit down and meditate about the moments in your life and the moments right in front of you. Don't let them pass you by. When we finally realize that all things are impermanent, you're going to also realize that only the moments in your life have any meaning.